Hi everybody, my name is Anusha Rodrigues. I have a master's in clinical nutrition and dietetics. I've been practicing for about 8 years now and my specialization is weight loss and lifestyle disorder management. Today, I'll be cooking healthy breakfast recipes with Jeewith. Today we're going to make Moong and apple medley. This is one of the best recipes for breakfast because it only takes 10 minutes to assemble. It is also very rich in protein and also fiber and perfect for weight loss. So let's get started. So we're going to start by adding a cup of boiled sprouted moong into a mixing bowl. Next, I'm going to add 1 handful of chopped cucumber. Next, half an apple. This is where the apple adds the sweetness to this dish. Next is pomegranate. Pomegranates are highly anti-inflammatory. They are very rich in antioxidants and very good for your gut. Once you add all the ingredients, give it a quick stir. I'm going to add a pinch of salt to this just to season it up, followed by a quick squish of lemon just to have that tangy flavor, and give it a quick mix. Now I'm going to add paneer. I've quickly sauteed it with a little bit of butter. This will add the extra protein you need and also it will make the dish more tasty. I'm adding a little bit of Greek yogurt on top. This will bring the entire dish together and make it more creamy. Also add a little bit of extra protein. No motivation to stay healthy? Jeewith rewards you for your healthy habits. All you need to do is to update your daily activities like sleep, walking, drinking water, intermittent fasting and many more. After updating your everyday activities, the Jeewith app rewards you with points with which you can redeem many gifts such as AirPods, smartwatches, headsets and many more. So what are you waiting for? Download Jeewith app today. Available in both App Store and Play Store. For more such easy and healthy recipes, subscribe to Jeewith channel, hit like and leave your suggestions in the comments below. Thank you.